millions of players. Destroy everything! Roblox. It's free.
The Innovation Incorporated Department of Meteorology has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Capital City, Port Mann, Crystal Cove, and Coast City. This warning is in effect until 10:45 p.m. At 9:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crystal Cove to Capital City, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Trees may fall. Stay away from large windows or openings. More instructions will follow.